Hello, Mzansi. It's August Go. On Tuesday, Musa was attending a murder case in Cape Town. During the court proceedings, a sheriff of the court arrived with a warrant of arrest for Musa concerning a civil case in Johannesburg. Mzansi, take note that Musa is attending two cases as we speak. One, he is currently attending a murder case trial for murdering his ex-boyfriend Wandile Kambule for stabbing him to death on March 2022. The second case against Musa is about the allegations he made on Twitter about Fikile Mbalula's wife for getting fraudulent government tenders up to 150 million rand. And then he went to court. The judge ordered Musa to retract his statement within 48 hours and also told him to delete the post from social media. And he was also fined 1 million rand for damages. So he said that he does not have money. So he was supposed to attend the court case during this week. That is why a warrant of arrest was issued against him, because he failed to appear on court because he was attending his murder case trial in Cape Town. Till I see you again, Mzansi, please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any videos, you guys do not miss anything. Bye bye, Mzansi.